Hold on to your hats and boots, folks. The Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree is about to hit Disneyland Park. That's right. Henry, Wendell, Big Al, and the gang are taking over the Hungry Bear restaurant. After their coast-to-coast tour, they've brought together some of the best regional barbecue dishes just for us. Feast your eyes on the smoked barbecue combo platter, a mouth-watering selection of house-smoked meats served with baked beans, house slaw, white bread, and pickles. You can choose from pork spare ribs, pulled pork, sausage link, or beef brisket. And yes, you can even order it on your mobile app. But that's not all. They've got the barbecue pulled pork sandwich with tangy barbecue sauce, the smoked beef brisket sandwich with pickled red onions, and even the smoked Angus beef burger, topped with pulled pork and crispy onions. Plus, don't miss the corn ribs plate, loaded with chili lime aioli and parmesan, and loaded fries with smoked pulled pork. And for those with a sweet tooth, try the banana pudding, funnel cake fries with a banana caramel dipping sauce, or one of the unique beverages like sparkling strawberry pickle lemonade or strawberry shortcake lemonade. They've even got special meals for the little ones and a novelty Hungry Bear mason jar you can buy with any drink. Make sure to stay tuned to Tollyland Adventures for all the latest updates and the big opening date news. Hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what you're most excited to try.